Go for Shavasana. Your all efforts coming to one point of cessation, stoppage. Lying down in Shavasana, palms facing upwards, body is as loose as possible, legs apart, hands apart, palms facing the roof, neck either at the center or towards the right side or left side, depending on your comfort. What to do right now is simply relax. With each breathing in and breathing out, your body is going to relax deeply. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. Do nothing but synchronize your breathing, and when you're breathing in and breathing out, let your muscles be more relaxed. Continue to do so. Simple breathing in, breathing out. Just relax all the skeletal muscles. Breathing in, breathing out. Be aware of your breathing and do nothing. Not much efforts from your side except for breathing in and breathing out, followed by deep relaxation of your skeletal muscles. This is simple but yet difficult for wandering mind to focus their attention on the breath. In due course of time, you will be able to achieve better control. At this moment, just focus on your breathing in and breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Change the voice tone, will make it like a lullaby. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. Keep doing the breath awareness and relaxation as long as you wish. Extended relaxation if you want. If not, we can come back to body consciousness straight away, right away. So this is a short, simple example of how you can use breathing for relaxing your skeletal muscles. Whenever you get the shortest of time in between your work, you can do this breath awareness with muscles relaxation. Very slowly come back to body consciousness. You have two choices now. Either you can extend this relaxation further and the class completes automatically, or you can come back and we will conclude the class. Whichever is fine for you, you can choose. Choice is yours. So let your class, what I feel is the class concludes right now. and you extend your relaxation for 10 more minutes. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.